Letting your contract license expire can cause serious problems, especially if you're still working in the field. In many states, continuing to operate with an expired license can lead to hefty fines, job site shutdowns, or even legal penalties. You could lose permit privileges, delay payments, or risk disputes that leave you unprotected. Worse, most state boards don't just let you renew late. You may be required to reapply from scratch, retake exams, or complete extra continuing education, sometimes with penalties or reinstatement fees. Even a lapse of just 30 days can affect your eligibility, especially if insurance or bond coverage also expires during that window. AtHomePrep helps licensed contractors stay ahead of renewals with state-approved continuing education courses, licensed lookup tools, and reminders built into your account dashboard. Already behind on your renewal? Visit AtHomePrep.com today. We'll help you get back on track fast and avoid costly delays.